Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Gucci shoes. I've been planning on doing this video forever. I bought these sneakers a long time ago. I'll have the link down below for you guys. I was just waiting to get new sneakers, but I decided to just say screw it and do it on some of my old Nikes. But it's super easy. The first thing you're going to do is peel the template vinyl from its backing, and you're just going to place it on the swoosh, and then you're going to outline your swoosh. Once you've outlined it, you can just peel the template off, and then you can place it to the backing of the sneaker, and then you're going to cut it out. So when you cut it out, you kind of want to make sure that you cut outside the border just in case you want to make adjustments. Then you're going to peel the template from the sneaker. So basically you just want to pick at it until you see like clear lift from the front of the sneaker, and you're just going to place that directly on the swoosh. And you're going to get some water and like a paper towel or a washcloth is what I use. And you're just going to dab it for about 30 seconds. You're just going to make sure that it's completely stuck on the shoe. And so once it starts sticking, it will start to like slip off, so you know when it's ready. And then just to make sure that it is nice and secure, you can just re-dab it with water directly on to the sneaker and the shoe. So when you move on to the toe box, it's a little bit more tricky, but basically you just place the template vinyl on the toe box starting from the bottom of the shoelace panel, and then you can just cut the excess template vinyl from the sides and place the excess template vinyl to the upper left and right part of the toe box, just to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Once you have the template all sized out, you're just going to repeat the steps until you are completely finished with the shoe. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I loved how these shoes turned out. They are so dope. If you guys want to try it, again, the link of the sneakers that I bought will be listed down below so you guys can check it out. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to follow me on all my social media links. They will all be listed down below. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!